Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Park MGM, Las Vegas. Just checked into a stay well room. I presented my MGM Platinum status, checked in the VIP area, and got an upgrade to this stay well room. They say extra air, purifiers, and other amenities. You could see a deck here. Stay well, feedback on your wellness journey. Your journey starts now. Night lighting, stay well mattress, stay well shower infuser, warm white room lighting, and some more in this tray. It's a king bed, and you could see this air purifier on this side. Nightstands on both ends of the bed. Over here, tribute portfolio, a notepad and a pen. Lights on both sides. They like the red color throughout here. Coming in to the center of the room, a table and one chair, and a TV, kind of off to the center here. Lots of plugs on the bottom. Another air purifier, it looks like on this side, Rabbit Air. More space to charge devices with this strip. And we get a view outside, most prominently featuring the T-Mobile Arena, Allegiant Stadium in the background, and a lot more. Parking garage here, the Orleans, and various cars, other people walking throughout this area. This is the park at Park MGM, New York, New York, pretty close. Coming back, we'll head to the bathroom and check that out. They did advertise an enhanced shower experience. Coming in, see a pretty standard sink in this area, energizing light, toilet on this side, and a rack. I like this, a rack for the towels, hair dryer, and more of the red theming. Looks like bricks, but it's more of tile. And the standard bottles here, refillable. And the shower head, they said was a little bit different. I believe it's like the rain effect. I'll walk back into the main room, see some art on the side. 3 women in a field, and it looks like some older art on this side. See a mirror on this side and get another view of the room. Some more art over here, people in a pool, woman bathing with the head cut off, and some more art on this side. So far so good, a decent start here. Nice to get a $50 food voucher upon check-in with my MGM Platinum status. Nice to get 2 nights complimentary through the MyVegas games. And as I'm looking around, see this big light here, powered on this side, going all the way up into the center. A decent room here at Park MGM. And look at that, more charging. See some plugs, USB. Lots of space. I have my luggage on this side. Lots of space to put everything. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Park MGM, Las Vegas.